Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining in. So today I want to show you a graduation gift idea using these nesting boxes that I've gotten off of Amazon. Last week I showed you these boxes in my last video that you could possibly use these type of boxes, but you would need the larger ones to do that project. But today, I'm going to show you how I took these boxes and made a pre-K graduation gift for my granddaughter. So these boxes, I got them for about $12 or $13, less than $15 off of Amazon. And I believe they will make a great gift idea to put your gift in for your graduate. You could use this for your pre-K kindergartner or your middle high school and even your college graduate's gift. So come on in and join me and let me show you how I took these boxes and made my granddaughter's pre-K graduation gift. And also, I will be using for this project the shredded filler paper to fill the boxes and this graduation cap made with tinsel from the Dollar Tree. And I thought it was really cute for this project and it would go perfect for what I'm doing, as well as this ribbon. I'm not sure if I'm going to use that ribbon or the tulle, and I got both of those from Walmart, as well as all of these items that I know my granddaughter's going to like. So what I'm going to do is just fill all of these things inside these boxes to what I know she would like or to have. So I would suggest that's what you do for your graduate. So next, I decided to go with the tulle and not the ribbon. She is a little girl, she's pretty, so I thought the tulle would be perfect for her in this gift. So I just cut it off. You can very well get the tulle that's on the roll, but for my money and the price, I could use this better and then use the rest of it for another project. So I am just cutting it to the size that I need it to be, and then I'm folding it to make it a little thicker, and then I'm going to use it as if I was using the ribbon along both sides, and I'm going to tie it together. Now you will see that I've added the cap, and I'm working with the tulle after I've tied it, and I trimmed it down. So I'm beginning to look at it and see that I should have actually cut the whole piece longer, because now I'm looking at it and I want a little more of the tulle on here because it's not looking quite like what I want. So I'm trying to see what to do with it. At this point, I am going to secure the cap down by using these twisty ties. and I didn't have black in my stash. I only have this gold, so I'm gonna make it work. I didn't want to buy any more just for this project, so I'm using the gold, and I'm gonna just hook it under the cap and run it back around the tool and then twist it together. And because I have the tool, it's gonna hide the gold, so you're really not gonna see it. And that is what I'm doing here. And if you guys have any suggestions on something else I could use to secure this, let me know in the comments. I'm open to any suggestions for that. But that's how I secure the cap. Now I'm trimming these down, but as you see further along in the video, I'm going to add more tool to this because I'm really not satisfied. Like I said earlier, I should have cut the piece longer so I could have more tool to it. And this is just a close-up on how I use the pipe cleaners to attach the cap to the tool. At this point, I'm still not satisfied with the way it looks. It's full enough, but the tool is not long enough. So I cut a few pieces, longer pieces, and then I added it in under the cap. And then now it looks more like what I was anticipating it to look like. So this is pretty much what I ended up doing, and I left it alone. Now with the ribbon, if I was to use the ribbon, I could use this ribbon just as I did with the tool. But with this bling type ribbon, I wouldn't use it the way I'm showing you here, not with the nesting boxes this way, because it is the type of material it is. You could either maybe kind of tape them down to the box, but if you use this type of ribbon, I would probably do it this way. Wrap each box individual with this ribbon, and then I would probably go ahead and tape each box to each other because they're stackable. So it would just be when you pick it up, you would definitely have to pick it up from the bottom box versus using this ribbon or the tool the way I did it. So it depends on how you want to do it and how you're going to present it to the person that you're giving it to. So guys, I am satisfied with the way it came out. This is a cute gift that I would have for my granddaughter to give to her to take to her graduation, so I can hand it to her after her ceremony, because they are having a pre-K ceremony. So this would be something nice just to hand to her after she graduates. So guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, so you can receive notifications on my future videos. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.